Hello everybody, today I will be explaining the reciprocating rack and pinion mechanism. Its function is to convert rotational motion into reciprocating linear motion. It follows the same principles of traditional rack and pinion with the difference that the rack has been modified. For demonstration purposes, only the two main parts are shown. The green one is the gear, the yellow one is the rack. The input angular speed on the axis of the gear has been set to 4 revolutions per minute. 1 revolution takes 15 seconds. The rack can move only in the frontal plane, from left to right and right to left. The gear can only rotate on its own axis. A second example where the gear can both rotate and move simultaneously is shown at the end. This gear is missing some teeth. When the gear moves but the rack doesn't move, there is a loss of force transmission and it's called backlash. Depending on the application, backlash might be desired or not. Low to non-backlash allows a reciprocating motion with no stop at the ends. Some backlash allows periodization between motion and full stop. The gear's angular velocity is equal to the motor's angular velocity attached to the gear. The linear velocity of the gear pitch diameter and the rack pitch line are the same. Linear velocity is equal to 2 times p times gear pitch radio divided by the time it takes to complete one revolution. The displacement of the rack is equal to as many steps as the teeth moves it. Optionally, there is a second form of movement. The rack must be constrained in all directions. The gear can both rotate on its axis and move linearly in the horizontal axis. This is a secondary mode of operation. This mechanism was made using SolidWorks student version. Thank you for your time. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Goodbye.